Now, you can solve this problem using another method. Let me show you. Method 2. The divisor. We have the divisor, this is the dividend. Now, we first need to convert the dividend to what? To base 10. Converting the dividend to base 10. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, base 2. Now, assigning values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We now have this to be what? 1 times 2 raised to the power of what? 5. Plus, what do we have? 0 times 2 raised to the power of 4. Plus, what are we having? 1 times 2 raised to the power of what? 3. Plus, what do we have? 0 times 2 raised to the power of what? 2. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of what? 1. Plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of what? 0. Now, simplifying. 1 times 2 raised to the power 5. What is 2 raised to the power 5? That's 32. So 32 times 1, that is 32. Plus, anytime with 0 will become 0. Then 2 raised to the power of 3, that's 8. So 1 times 8, we have 8. A time with 0 becomes 0. Then, what do we have? 1 times 2, what do we have? That is 2. Plus a time with 0, that becomes 0. So in this case, 32 plus 0, that's 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 0, 40. Plus 2 will give us 42. Plus 0, that will give us 42. Now, this is 42 base 10. That's for the dividend. Now, we need to convert the divisor also. Let's convert the divisor to base 10. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, base 2. Assigning values 0, 1, 2. This will be, we have this to be equal to what? Converting. That's going to be 1 times what? 2 raised to the power of what? 2. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of what? 1. Then we have plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Now what do we have? We have this to be equal to what? This is 2 raised to the power 2, that's 4. 4 times 1, 4. Plus, now we have 1 times 2, that is 2. Plus, a time with 0, that's 0. So what do we have? This is 6 base 10. Now, going back to the question, it means that we have to solve 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2. Divide by what? 1, 1, 0 base 2. So, the equivalent value for this in base 10, 42 base 10, divided by what? The equivalent value in base 10, this is 6 base 10. Now, what do we have? The value for this is what? 7 base 10. Because 42 divided by 6 is 7 base 10. We must leave our answer in base 10. Now, we need to convert 7 base 10 back to base 2. Now, let's do that. Converting 7 base 10 back to base 2. So, we have converting this 7. Now, 7 divided by 2, what do we have? That is 3. Remember what? 1. Now, dividing by 2 also, what do we have? 3 divided by 2, we have 1. Remember what? 1. Now, dividing by 2, we have 0. Remember 1. So, what do we have? So, it means that the answer to this, the answer to this 7 base 10 in base 2 is 1, 1, 1 base 2. That is taking the values from the bottom to the top. Don't forget. So this is equals to 1, 1, 1. Base 2. That is the solution to the problem.